Miss this and your pods are crash looping in production at the worst possible time, all because a crucial step in your CI/CD pipeline was overlooked or misconfigured.
Building a full CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes for a Python application is a complex task that requires careful planning and execution. What it does. A CI/CD pipeline is a series of automated processes that take your code from development to production, ensuring that it is built, tested, and deployed consistently and reliably. In this example, we will use Jenkins as our CI/CD tool, Docker to containerize our Python application, and Kubernetes to orchestrate and manage our containers in production. Command/example. Breaking it down. The Jenkins file above defines a pipeline with 3 stages: build, test, and deploy. In the build stage, we use the docker build command to build a Docker image from the current directory. In the test stage, we use the docker run command to run our unit tests inside the container. Finally, in the deploy stage, we use the kubectl command to deploy our application to a Kubernetes cluster. Common mistakes. One common mistake is to forget to push the Docker image to a registry after building it. This can cause the deployment to fail because the image is not available in the registry. Another common mistake is to not properly configure the Kubernetes deployment YAML file, which can cause the deployment to fail or not work as expected. Try this next. To fix the mistake of not pushing the Docker image to a registry, you can add a step to the build stage to push the image to a registry such as Docker Hub. For example, to fix the mistake of not properly configuring the Kubernetes deployment YAML file, you can use a tool such as Kustomize to manage and generate your Kubernetes configuration files. Pro tip. In a real-world production environment, it's essential to use a combination of automated testing and manual review to ensure that your CI/CD pipeline is working correctly and that your application is deployed successfully. One way to do this is to use a tool such as Prometheus and Grafana to monitor your application's performance and health, and to use a tool such as GitOps to manage and version your Kubernetes configuration files. By using these tools and following best practices, you can ensure that your CI/CD pipeline is reliable, efficient, and scalable, and that your application is always available and performing well.